Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to sign up for Audible affiliate program. So basically, if you go to this website audible.com and if you go to scroll down to the bottom, you can't find any buttons here to go to affiliate. Now what you're going to do is just click on the new tab at the top and go to Google. And here on the search bar, just need to type here Audible affiliate and then click on enter, and then here you just need to click on the first link, which is Audible affiliate. So click on this one, and once you click on this one, you will go on this page. As you can see, you have two options to join the affiliate program. We have here Amazon Associates program, and here as you can see program overview, we have here advertise. So you can advertise, promote Audible through Amazon Associates. So you need to make sure you have Amazon Associates account. And then you have here drive traffic, drive visitors to Amazon.com using Audible links and banners. And then we have here earn, make money when your visitors buy Audible products and services on Amazon's. So what are the products here that you can promote? So first of all, here we have Audible Gold Digital Membership. You can earn $10 right here for every membership. You can earn Audible free trial digital membership for $5 and the Audible audiobook for $0.50. So this will make some money for you. Now the second affiliate program is creator program. So this one, as you can see, make money with a free offer for your listeners. Get $15 for each trial membership you generate. So at the bottom, you'll find how the offer works. So promote a 30-day free trial of Audible with your own custom URL. Listeners go to an Audible trial landing page and then earn a $15 commission for each trial you generate, and then your listeners will enjoy a free audiobook. So this is the affiliate program that I want to recommend to you to join this creator program. So to sign up with this, you just need to click here to sign up button here. So click on this. Click here to sign up, and then you will go on the next page where you need to fill up all the fields about your information to access this affiliate program. So as you can see, join Audible Partner Program powered by Impact.com. So basically, you just need to have an Impact account so you can have a signing up form right here. So what you're going to do, go here on your information. So you just need to enter your full name, enter your first name and your last name right here. And then here on email, you can basically enter your email and then create a username and also create your own password. And on company information, you just need to enter your account display name right here, company website, and then your country. And basically just need to put your basic information about your location, your address, city, state, zip code. And it's just important that you have the phone number, currency, and the time zone. Now, if you scroll down, you'll find promotional information. So right here, you can change the business model if you want content creator. So for me, I just want to enter here content. And here on property type, if you have a website, just need to enable this and just enter your URL link website here. And if you have mobile, just enter your app link, then on social networks. Now here, you just want to make sure that you have the best website and also the best YouTube channel that you have, so you can access their affiliate program and you will approve to work with affiliate. Now you just need to read all of the terms and agreements right here if you scroll down. So you just need to read all of the agreements right here. And then once you've done, just need to click on the sign up button right here at the bottom. So once you've done here, just need to wait until the verification came to your email, and then just need to click on the link. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.